Hi guys, so we have empty apartments that are ready for booking, and if you're interested, I'm going to show you guys around so that you can see, and it's very beautiful. You guys will love it. I love this place, and by the end of the video I'm going to plug you on where you are going to get these houses. By the door we have the laundry area. Laundry area looks like that. Not that bad. I love the sink over here. Then we have the tap. From the entrance, guys, we have this kitchen area. So the kitchen area is so pretty, and it's an open ensuite, as you can see. Then we have those chandelier lights, very pretty as well. We also have the tiles that are boarded. This is the living room area, and when you look around, this is how it looks. This is your view. Parking lots over there. Yeah, this shall be your view. So look at the ceiling. Okay, that is how the ceiling looks like. Okay, then we have extra storage. You guys know me with storage. I love storage. Here we have some storage for you, kitchen storage or living room. Then we have this other storage over here. Let me open it for you guys. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. The same applies to this place. Yeah. Then we have the drawers. Then we have these drawers as well. The lights are off, but as you can see, the lights are off, but we still have more lights, so there's so much light in here. I love it. So yeah, it's an open ensuite. As I move, I'm going to the bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom. Then we have the sink. That's me. Okay, so yeah. Then we have the storage. You can put your towels over there. Then we have the back side of the door. Yeah, that's open air. I love it. Then this is the bedroom next to it. So spacious, modern bedroom. These are the wall lights. We have no lights right now, but as you can see, we have the bedside lights. Then we have the wardrobe. The wardrobes are so pretty. I love them. Let me open it and show you. Yeah, as you can see, the wardrobe is so pretty, and we have like extra. We have the extra area where you can place your extra clothes. Yeah, there are 3 compartments over there. The wardrobes are nice. I love them. They're so spacious. This is my dream home. Okay, we have this over there. This is also another part of the wardrobe. Okay, then we have this other one. So if I open the two, they will look like that. If I open all, let me not wait. If I open the four, they look like that. Do you guys love it? I love this house. I love the gray. Because it's not like super white everywhere. It has like decent colors and like nude. Nude is beautiful, and yeah, can you see how beautiful the wall is? This can be room for children or something. Yeah. Then coming over here, I'm leaving this bedroom and we are going all the way past the washroom, and now we have another door over here which is another washroom. As you can see, this is the sink. You can see me again, peace. Yeah, and then we have I love these. I love the choice of colors. I love the choice of colors over here. This was well thought through. Yeah, so that is it about to the last bedroom, which is I think the master bedroom. The bedrooms are similar. Seems like they're similar. No difference, no big difference actually. Then, yeah, there's a difference. There's an extra storage over there on this other bedroom. Yeah. So I think they're just the same. The difference is this other side for this other bedroom. So the apartment is ready for rental, ready to be bought. And you guys can reach out if you're interested. These ones are just the same from the first ones. So let me show you guys the full park of the house so that it can help you out. Yeah.